In a jungle full of giggles near a coconut tree lived a stomping dino, as wild as can be. His feet were big, his tail went swish, and he munched on leaves from a flying dish. Stomp, stomp, stomp with the stomping dino, bounce like jelly on a wild rhino. Roar real loud, then tiptoe slow. That silly dino steals the show. He wore cool shades and a polka dot hat. Tried ballet once, but he fell flat. He juggled pineapples, did a kazoo dance, and moonwalked right into a nest of ants. Stomp, stomp, stomp with the stomping dino, slide like butter on a mashed potato lino, twirl like a toaster in a disco glow. That funky dino steals the show. He's got dino boogie in every toe. He spins like a blender, fast then slow. He hiccups confetti, burps out a tune, and dances under a cheese-shaped moon. Stomp, stomp, stomp with the stomping dino, laugh like a llama in a pink kimono, groove with a wiggle, shake and go, 'cause that stomping dino steals the show. Now every night by the glowing volcano, they party with lights and a dancing mango. And if you hear a boom that shakes your floor, it's just Stompy back for more. Now every night by the glowing volcano, they party with lights and a dancing mango. And if you hear a boom that shakes your floor, it's just Stompy back